Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy more storage on iPhone. In order to buy storage space on iPhone, first of all, open up the settings icon from your iPhone's home screen. Now at the top of the settings menu, you'll see your Apple ID name and profile picture. Tap on it, and in the Apple ID menu, tap on iCloud. You'll see your current iCloud storage plan. Tap on the storage button at the top, and on the next page, tap on Get More Storage. Choose the storage plan that fits your need. After making a choice, click on Upgrade to iCloud Plus at the bottom. Confirm your purchase by entering your Apple ID password, Face ID or Touch ID, and your new iCloud storage plan will be active. You'll also receive a confirmation and your iPhone will automatically use the extra space. And that's it. You will be able to upgrade your iPhone storage and back up more photos, save files, and free up space on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and guidance. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.